guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing on live money. Today's video is going to be a combination of two things. I'll be sharing more platforms you can use to make money online with your phone, and I'll also be sharing details about the MacBook giveaway that has been going on for a week now, but I know that some people don't check my community tab, so you may have missed that. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, Opinion In. Opinion In is a platform that pays you to give feedback by completing short studies. When you join, they immediately give you $10 bonus, but there is a catch. In order to redeem, you must accumulate a minimum of $25. I really can't fault them with this because they are running a business after all. Otherwise, people would just be signing up with different emails collecting $10. So even though you will get $10, you're gonna have to work hard to be able to cash out. Before they credit $10 to your account, they will review your profile within 24 to 48 hours, and only then you will be able to browse through different opportunities. What I like about this website, some of their studies pay up to $100 per study, so even though it's mainly specializing in short studies, they do also have high paying ones. If you're working for a company or have some experience, especially a technical one, you will sure make good money from Opinion In. Technical related studies tend to pay more, but everyday kind of surveys are on the lower end. So just because they said you can make up to $100, don't expect to make that much for doing a 5-minute survey about random stuff. Sometimes they are targeting people who own certain stuff, such as cars, appliances. Those are mid-paying studies between $6 to $20 per study. Monthly, they give away an additional $500 based on activity and number of studies you've answered. Number 2, Rewarding Ways. Rewarding Ways pay $1 to $5 for a 5 to 15-minute short study. They pay via Skrill, PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and Bitcoin. When signing up, you get a $0.20 bonus, and you can start requesting payments from as little as $0.80. Once you are in, click Daily Surveys. As you can see, there are already about 6 surveys, all above $1, worth $4.6 in total. To complete each study, follow these 3 steps. The earning opportunities on this website are really good. They categorize their surveys. For example, if you go to CPX Research, there are more short studies or Spectrum surveys. Opinion Live surveys pay up to $15 per survey. Do check all these 12 categories as they have different surveys you can qualify for. Under Offer Wall, you will see more opportunities that pay in points instead of instant cash, but these points can be converted for cash. Again, there are about 11 categories under Offer Walls that you can check out. The highest paying opportunity on this website is the Context. There's an ongoing one for about $1,000 that will end on the 30th of November. You can see how much people have earned per contest and in a lifetime. If you're interested, do enter. It's free. You may be one of the lucky ones, but bear in mind that this is purely based on luck, so don't have high hopes. Number 3, Zoombucks. Zoombucks, another short study-based site that pays you 1,000 points or $1 for completing the About Me page. Most offers pay just a few cents to $1 per X number of points accumulated. This is what their dashboard looks like. When you click View All, you will see some short studies that pay in points. Survey routers show you the dollar equivalent you'll get per survey. Their offers also pay pretty well. For example, $18 per 18,000 plus points, $16 for 16,000 plus points, etc. What I don't like about Zoombucks, they pay you based on where you are from. We could be seeing the same survey, but if you are based in a country considered to be Tier 3 and I'm in a Tier 1 or Tier 2 country, I might get paid more. Some surveys are not worth it when you check the amount of time required to complete versus the reward, especially those ones where you have to watch some videos and then get some points. Sometimes the points are just not worth it, but I'll leave that to you to decide. Number 4, Reward XP. You get paid in XP points. $1 is equivalent to 10,000 XP points, but most surveys pay anywhere between 7,500 to 18,000 XP points per survey. They have different withdrawal options. Each has different XP requirements. You can cash out as little as $5 if you choose the PayPal option. There isn't much going on this website. The main buttons you should be focusing on are Earn, Explore, and Engage if you want to join the community. With all these websites, you can make some extra money, especially if you are restricted to just using your phone. So do check them out and register to all of them. The links will be down below as usual. Now, moving to the giveaway. One subscriber who has been able to make thousands of dollars from online jobs I recommend here, and even secured a $5,000 per month permanent job online online has decided to give away her MacBook to one lucky subscriber who has been working really hard trying to make money but feels limited due to not having a laptop. This is such a generous act, and I'm really grateful for this community and how y'all are just giving back to the community, whether by sending your proof of payment screenshots, which encourages others to work harder, or by sharing the channel with others. And now we have someone who's giving away her MacBook. She even went as far as fixing the battery and will be sending the MacBook to the winner at no cost for them, so you don't even have to pay for the shipping. The subscriber is based in South Africa, so unfortunately the winner will have to be in South Africa as well. To enter the competition, another subscriber suggested that we choose the winner using this criteria. Basically, people should send proof of payment screenshots from phone jobs. That way the laptop can go to someone who really deserves it, because a lot of people were starting to share their sad stories and why they should win. While I believe some of those stories are real, anyone can write a sad story, but not everyone watches my channel on regular basis or even try to apply to the companies I share. I did put this suggestion on Instagram and people agreed it's a fair way of picking the winner. So if you'd like to enter for the giveaway, send your proof of payment screenshots to my email or Instagram DM. I'll also be checking the amount you've been making on average, because if you have been making enough money to buy a laptop or to afford a laptop and you chose not to, I don't think it's fair to give the laptop to that kind of person. Of course, I can never be 100% sure if the winner will be the deserving person, but me and the subscriber who donated will try our best to pick the right person. All the best to y'all. The competition has been going on for a week now and a lot of people have sent their screenshots already. Hurry up and enter if you're interested. See you on my next video.